many more.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. I didn't even think about the pan blowing it out.
Haven't you got those twisted? Shouldn't it be 67?
Those are big numbers.
Huh?
Oh, Grandma needs...
You're going to hold that while I blow them out?
Are you...
It's going.
Hey,
Happy
hey.
birthday, great grandma.
Yay!
Thank
Still
you
got
all.
wind left.
Okay. She didn't blow the numbers off.
No.
Thank you.
Did you sing to me?
When you go,
Can you sing to me now? Happy birthday.
There's
No, he's not going to sing.
Boston cream, and there's lemon cream too.
Oh, lemon is my favorite.
Oh, yeah.
That's lemon.
Did you buy these at work?
Did Aubrey and Gabe make them?
I'll just take that one home.
That's a good idea.